Union Minister ka Law and Justice ka Sorkar India Kiren Rijiju henen kasi ka pratrik uyayong arjar arpuar ulawan jungo ikibenta beper ka Ri-Bhoi district na kabenta ki Pynroi bat let Jurip ru ki Pynroi bala Myntri kam hakikat tu kat ni ki Shillong ka district. Hashwa ban jingo ki Shillong la pelong shwa de ka jinge kendo lang ha conference hall jang ka office u Deputy Commissioner Ri-Bhoi hanong po. Hakaba uba MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner ke district ulamat phangi ki kattu kat ni ki Pynroi ha ke district hakaba la sakhilang da ka jingadon u Dr. Joram Beda Secretary Planning Department ke Sorkar Jilla u Arpit Upadhyay Deputy Commissioner ke district Ugiri Prasad SP Ri-Bhoi ba RDH Kharluki Deputy Secretary Planning Department ke Sorkar Jilla uba BJ Kharshandi Additional Deputy Commissioner bat kiwe Hadin kate ka jinge kendo lang u Union Minister ulalit jingo saya ka Aganwadi Center ha Dihar bat ka Health and Wellness Center HWC ha Sao Nongkarai Ri-Bhoi district.
Happy that today I am here in Ri-Bhoi district in Meghalaya and I personally took the review meeting of the aspirational district program, all the activities being undertaken in Ri-Bhoi district. First of all, I must compliment the entire officials of the district Ri-Bhoi for a remarkable jump in the overall ranking of Ri-Bhoi district in All India list. From 51 rank in 2018, it has come to 5th rank amongst 112 aspirational districts of the country. Although the ranking keeps changing every month, but at the present time it is rank 5, which is very encouraging. There are certain issues which we had discussed today in brief. I had pointed out, if we can take care of some of the issues, then it can go up to top also. But having said that, all the officers are working extremely hard. The Deputy Commissioner here and his entire official team of the district are doing excellent job. There is good support from the state government. The Secretary Planning also participated in the meeting, so he made certain positive and useful interventions which the state government and the district authorities of Ri-Bhoi can sit together and chalk out and breached all those gaps or certain shortcomings. I had been assigned to just go and assess the ground situation, what is happening in the aspirational district program in Ri-Bhoi district in Meghalaya. I'm very happy. I thank the district authorities, I thank the Meghalaya state government and everyone who have supported and who have contributed in the tremendous improvement of the developmental activities and the status of Ri-Bhoi district. So once again, I am very satisfied with this visit and I thank Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji for coming up with such a wonderful thought to take care of those aspirational districts.